Open your window and you will see a busy neighborhood. People live here, and animals do too. Animals are living things just like us. They spend their days moving, eating, and growing. Some of our closest neighbors are pets. These are our animal friends, like cats and dogs, who live right inside our homes to play with us and keep us company. If you step into the backyard, you will find insects. You can tell an animal is an insect if it has 6 legs and usually a pair of wings. This includes ladybugs, butterflies, and even cockroaches. You don't have to go far to see amazing creatures. The animal kingdom starts right in our own houses and backyards. Down the road at the farm, we find domestic animals. These are animals like horses that have been trained to live and work alongside people. Farmers also raise animals like cows, sheep, and chickens. These animals live on the farm because they provide us with important things like milk, wool, and eggs. When we look at the sky, we see birds. You can spot a bird by looking for feathers, wings, 2 legs, and a beak with no teeth. Under the water, fish have a different way of living. If we look at this cutaway picture, you can see how they breathe. Instead of using a nose like ours, they have special parts called gills that take in air from the water. From wings in the sky to gills under the water, animals have the exact right body parts to thrive in their specific homes. Far away from our houses and farms are the jungles and forests. This is where wild animals live. Because they live entirely on their own, they have to hunt for their own food and water, which can make them dangerous to be around. In the wild, you will find bears, giraffes, and the mighty lion, who we often call the king of the jungle. From the tiny ladybug on your porch to the giant lion in the wild, all these different animals make up one massive global neighborhood. Just like you, all these animals get hungry. But when it's time for lunch, they don't all go to the same counter. Imagine a giant cafeteria tray. The first section on the left is for the herbivores. These plant eaters spend their day munching on leaves, grass, and roots. The animals lining up for this green salad include cows, horses, sheep, squirrels, rabbits, bees, and monkeys. These herbivores find everything they need to grow strong just by snacking on nature's greens. The middle section of our tray is for the carnivores. These are the meat eaters who stay healthy by eating other animals. Lions, tigers, frogs, spiders, and hunting birds like eagles all eat from this part of the tray. The last section is for the omnivores. These animals treat the cafeteria like a giant buffet, eating both plants and meat. Bears, dogs, hens, and pigs love this mixed diet. Even tiny ants and deep ocean animals belong to this group. Every animal has a diet that provides the perfect fuel for its unique body. As the sun begins to set, animals need a place to sleep and grow. We call this a shelter. A good shelter keeps them dry when it rains, safe from bigger animals, and gives them a quiet spot to rest and have their babies. Many animals live in houses built by people. As night falls, the dog trots into his kennel and the horse heads to her stable. Cows sleep in a cattle shed while hens settle into their coop and pigs rest in a pigsty. Sheep huddle in their pen and pet rabbits tuck into a cozy hutch. By building these homes, we help keep our animal neighbors safe and warm all night long. Out in nature, animals find or build their own shelters. We say goodnight to the lion in his cave, which we call a den, and the wild rabbit in the hole he dug in the ground, called a burrow. Some animals live together in groups. Woodpeckers find homes in tree holes, bees live in a wax beehive, and ants sleep in an anthill. Look at this bird using its beak to weave dry twigs and leaves together. By crisscrossing the sticks, it builds a strong, cozy nest. And we say a final goodnight to the animals who sleep out in the open. Monkeys in the trees, spiders in their webs, and creatures in the deep ocean. Whether they live in a house we built or a home they found in the jungle, all these amazing creatures share this giant neighborhood with us. Good night, animals.